Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix screen mirror is not working on iPhone. Screen mirror is an effective way to check your iPhone content on a big screen. Apple calls it AirPlay, which lets you glance over photos, videos, and documents on an external display. But the issue arises when screen mirroring stops working on your iPhone. You can see appears on screen. You are only left to check your phone and receiving device for network issue. Many users have facing their issue. Screen mirror is not working. How to fix this problem? Number one is when screen mirroring stops working on iPhone, you will need to transfer the media files and documents to a USB drive or a portable SSD and connect it to a TV. It's time consuming and not as convenient as wireless screen mirroring. You can use the trick below to fix problem in no time. If you are facing this issue, number one is restart your iPhone. Force restart your iPhone. You can restart your iPhone and troubleshoot such common glitches on your iPhone. You can reboot your iPhone. Simply press the volume up button, volume down button, and press the power button until you see Apple logo appears on screen and fix your problem. If solution number one is not working, now applying the solution number two. Solution number two is check the device compatibility. You need to check device compatibility before starting screen mirroring on your iPhone. If the external display does not have AirPlay support, it won't appear on your iPhone. Most modern TVs or smart monitors have AirPlay support, but in you will need to look the AirPlay icon on your TV box or the TV model's product description. In the video link, you can see use the same Wi-Fi network. Use the same Wi-Fi network. Your phone and external display needs to be connected the same Wi-Fi network. If one of the devices connected to the different Wi-Fi network, screen mirroring won't work on iPhone. Simply make sure your iPhone is and TV is connected the same Wi-Fi. If can't connect to the same Wi-Fi, simply connect the same Wi-Fi and fix your problem. If solution number two is not working, now applying the solution number three. Solution number three is disable VPN. If you are using VPN, simply disable the VPN and fix your problem. If solution number three is not working, now applying the solution number four. Solution number four is reset network settings. Tap on the settings app, little bit scroll up to find general, and little bit scroll up to find transfer or reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode, reset network settings. You can see appears on screen. Reset network settings and confirm. Reset network settings. Glitches in network settings may lead to issue the screen mirroring on your iPhone. You need to reset network settings and try again. Launch in the settings app and you can see appears on screen. Network setting is restored successfully and fix screen mirroring problem. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply you can see appears on screen. You can see appears on screen. If all solutions are not working, now check your iOS update. Tap on the settings app, little bit scroll up to find general, tap on software update. If update is pending or available, now update your iPhone and fix your problem. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix screen mirroring is not working on iPhone and iPad. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.